Hi there, folks. Today we're going to do a little mason jar science, and today we are going to be making something that is much like a rain cloud. We learned about this in the water cycle, and you know that with a rain cloud, the water has to float up into the air due to the evaporation, and then it has to condense, and then the clouds have to let go of that water so that precipitation will happen, or rain. This little experiment will simulate that and be a little bit fun for you. The first thing you're going to need is a nice big mason jar. It helps to have one that is a nice large size, especially with this wider opening. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need some shaving foam. And yes, you need the foamy kind for this. That gel kind of shaving cream is not really going to work very well. You are going to need a couple of colors of food coloring. I chose red and blue, and then a little cup that has just a couple of tablespoons of water in it. So here's what you do. First thing, got to make yourself a cloud. Take that shaving cream, and on the water that you already have in your nice big mason jar, whoopsies, just make yourself a nice big fluffy cloud. Next thing I'm going to do is get my red food coloring ready, just a little bit in some water. And next, I'll get my blue food coloring. Again, I like red and blue because when it comes together in the jar, you might even see a little bit of purple rain. Here you go. So the objective is we're going to try to put in a little bit of red and a little bit of blue into our cloud and just see how long it takes for it to get saturated. And when it gets saturated, then it's going to let the rain go. So I'm going to put in a little bit of red, and I'm going to put in a little bit of blue. Let's see if we can make it rain. And just keep enjoying adding some of that color until you can see that finally your cloud just can't hold on to that cool rain anymore, and it has to let it go. I'm going to add some more blue too because I really want to see some purple rain. And there it goes. My cloud is now precipitating. And now you can just really have fun with it and see what kind of cool color formations you might get in the bottom and just enjoy the rain that you can create with your very own rain cloud. Have fun.